Example, if we have the function below, and let's consider a point A and a point B on the graph, you connect the point A and the point B together, you will get a line, the pink line. If I ask you, can you find for me the equation of that line? To find the equation of the line, we need to find the slope of the line first, right? So let's assume that the point A, we have x1, y1, and the point B is x2, y2. We recall from algebra, the slope of the line is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now, I'm going to just change the notation. Instead of x1 and y1, I'm going to call this point is a point A, and right here at this point, I call this is the point B. So if I plug in the input A into the function, I will get f of A. Then we have the point A, comma, f of A. And we input the B into the function, we will get B, comma, f of B. So instead of using the y1, y2, x1, x2 notation, I am going to change it. So we have A represent for x1, x2, B represent for x2, and y2 is f of B. y1 is f of A. And what do we notice is that f of B minus f of A over B minus A, it is the average rate of change formula. So basically, average rate of change formula is just the slope formula that we learned in algebra. Example 8. Suppose we are given the function g 3x squared minus 2x plus 3. In part A, we want to find the average rate of change of g from the point -2 to the point 1. So A is -2 and B is 1. Now we find f of A, which is f of -2. We will plug in -2 into the function. We will get the answer is 3 times -2 squared minus 2 times -2 plus 3. We calculate this, we get the answer is 19. If we plug in B into the function, which is 1, we will get 3 times 1 squared minus 2 times 1 plus 3, and is equal to 4. Then the average rate of change equal FB minus FA divided by B minus A, so 1 minus -2. So we have -15 over 3, and the answer is -5. In problem B, we want to find the equation of the second line containing -2, g of -2 and 1, g of 1. We're gonna replace the point. -2, when we input, we get this is 19, and when we input the 1, we get this is 4. So we have the 2 point, -2, 19, and 1, 4. We want to find the second line, which is the pink line AB right here, okay, in the graph. So given 2 points, how can we find the equation of the line? We learn from algebra. We have the formula y minus y1 equal m x minus x1. So let's consider the point point B. I like to use the point B because it's similar. So I'm going to change to y2 and x2. So we can use the y1, x1. Okay, we will get the same answer. So this will be x2 and y2. So y minus 4 equal x minus 1. The slope is the average rate of change. So -5. We found in part A before. So we just distribute the 5. And then we add 4 both sides to solve for y. And we got the answer is -5x plus 9.